Hello po sa inyo. So, welcome po sa Facebook exclusive. Ayan. So, X-Filers, no? X-Filers, tignan natin ang inyong update, no? For March the 15th to the March the 21st. So, ang reading po na ito is dedicated dito sa mga tao, no? Sa zodiac na nakalista po sa gilid. For those of you na hindi pa po nakakasali sa live sessions dun sa ating Babaylan TV, no, na channel, please do so. Ayan. So, magkakaroon po tayo ng, since this is my birth month, no, magkakaroon tayo ng free reading. So, antayin nyo po yung aking raffle, no, kung paano ito mangyayari. Magkakaroon po tayo ng announcement. Fulfillment of wishes. Napakaganda dahil kung ano man itong hinihingi, hinihiling, gustong ma-achieve, gustong ma-experience, whether it is finances, kung ano ang gustong magkaroon, no? As long as this is realistic, no? And as long as meron tayong ginagawa na para ma-achieve ang amount na ito, I feel like mangyayari. If this is something about work, kung wala pang work, no? I feel like magkakaroon na. Kung ito naman ay promotions with regard to your current job, I feel like magkakaroon na rin tayo or magkakaroon tayo ng opportunity, no, to at least be part of the short list and hopefully ma-achieve with the Nine of Pentacles. So, lately, parang ito na yung time na nararamdaman mo na parang pasaya na pasaya. Siguro this is also part of a gift of your reward. It may not be the full, the Ten of Pentacles, which is the highest form of the abundance. But either way, this is something that we can celebrate. It felt like na parang, uy, nasa akin ang spotlight, no? Parang bida ako sa kwentong ito. I feel like meron ka ring mapapatunayan sa mga taong ito na nagda-doubt sa iyo. With the Seven of Wands, I think meron ka mga ginawa dito, siguro part of you, hindi mo masyadong pinagkikwento itong mga ginagawa mo ngayon. Parang sinabi mo dito, mas okay sa akin, no? Na ipakita ko ang resulta kesa tumalak ako ng tumalak. At wala pa akong nasisimulan or hindi ko pa nagagawa ang mga bagay-bagay, no? With the Nine of Cups in here, so kailangan ko pa ba 'to? Kasi the Nine of Cups is also a wish fulfillment, no? So ito yung sinasabi nating hindi lang isa, ay Nine of Cups and the wish fulfillment showed up. The wish fulfillment is also signifies the Nine of Cups in the oracle cards. So, hindi lang ito isa, baka dalawa or higit pa, no? Kung ano man itong ninanais mo, pwedeng different aspects of your life, pwedeng romance and finances. Naku, sana all. Kasi hindi naman nagkakaroon lahat ng na ibabalance, no? Lalo na ang pwedeng business or romance or trabaho and romance. So, napakaganda ng reading. Agad-agad with the Five of Pentacles. So, ibig sabihin, I feel like we are in a competition with someone. Or in a competition with other energies where in fact, I feel like ito yung part na masasabi mo na I won, no? Or nanalo ko sa larangan ito. Madami mang competitions and this is a friendly competitions, hopefully, no? Pero yung meron ako nakikita dito na chances are for a small percentage of you, baka hindi nga ito ganun ka-friendly. But either way, no? Friendly man o hindi, ang competition is you won. Ang pinakamagandang part dito is you're going to celebrate. Again, katulad ng sabi ko kanina, parang nasa yung spotlight, nasa iyo itong mga papuri, no? You will be acknowledged and I feel like for a few numbers of you kung sa trabaho ito nanggagaling or nagsisimula, I feel like magkakaroon kayo ng incentives. With the Page of Swords, I think na meron ng bagong kontrata. So I feel like the kontrata itself is itong promotions na inaantay mo, itong project na inaantay mo, itong bagong trabahong inaantay mo. Page of Swords is signing off a contract, no? That symbolizes me being stable into something or being stable into someone, if this is a relationship reading, no? Kasi parang kahit man marami pa akong competition, no? Ako pa rin ang magwawagi, ako pa rin ang mananalo, ako pa rin ang pipiliin na sa akin ng corona if this is like competition in pageantry, no? With the Two of Pentacles, so bakit parang feeling natin na we are doubting? Probably in this process, nandun tayo sa self-doubt, no? However, with the Justice, I love the Justice showed up and the Two of Swords. Um, I feel like ito yung sinasabi na, sabi ng Justice, ng energy ng Justice, you have to remove the idea of self-doubt. You have to remove and check, you have to remove to on checking other fences o yung ibang bakuran, no? Naku, masyado bang luntian ang kanilang damo sa kabila? Ano bang ginagawa nila? No? I think that this is also, the universe is telling you to focus on yourself and be, para maging productive tayo, wag natin tignan itong mga pinagagagawa ng ibang tao. For a few numbers of you, baka nandito tayo sa, we are already in a competition, so nawawala tayo sa focus. Ang sinasabi, mag-focus ka dahil nasa iyo, no? Papunta sa iyo and you're going to parang harvest itong mga abundance na ito with the Knight of Cups. Matagal mo na siyang inaantay and the Chariot. Chances are for a few numbers of you, baka makaalis ng ibang bansa or magkaroon ng incentives pumunta sa ibang lugar. It doesn't necessarily mean abroad. Pwedeng dito lang naman. Madami ring magagandang lugar dito sa Pilipinas, no? But I feel like, no, with the Chariot, may incentives dito na you're gonna go out of town, out of the country for a few numbers of you surpassing the challenges, which is ito nga yung having being placed in a position, one thing's for sure. Kung ano man itong gusto nating ma-achieve, kung ano itong gusto nating makamit, no? I feel like this is the time na if not ibibigay sa atin ang opportunity na magbukas ang portal for us to achieve and gain and harvest all of this abundance. Ito na yung para sa inyo, no? Time para kolektahin na kung ano man ang regalong nakapangalan sa inyo. Napakagandang reading, no? Again, please follow me po doon din sa TikTok. And kung gusto niyo po ng mga much updated videos, dun po tayo sa YouTube, no? Abangan niyo po dahil magkakaroon po ako ng announcement paano sumali sa ating raffle ng free personal reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.